Our thoughts, our emotions are inside of us. We're pretty clear most of the time that that flower pot or vase is outside of us, but inside of us are these thoughts and our emotions, and we actually think they're us. So we don't create separation, so that stuff just starts dwelling inside, and pretty soon that's why why we're depressed, or why we're judging ourselves, or why we are anxious, or why we're fearful. They're all stuff inside that we think is actually us and defines us. So we're going to talk what that does. So when you feel that way, when there's a stimulus, you respond immediately. We respond without processing. We use the lower levels of our brain, the basal levels and the limbic areas, which are the ones that 10,000 years ago, the way you were programmed. You were programmed, if something was coming at you, man, you didn't wait to actually figure out what was going on. You ran, you fought, you froze, or you fainted, the 4 F's. And you did that right away. And you didn't think about it, you just did it.